Good morning. Our first item for discussion this morning will be state hospitals. I'd like to welcome the director, Mr. Allenby, and his wonderful staff. And please proceed whenever you are ready. We do have a vote-only calendar that we will put over for a moment until we see, we have the opportunity to also have a few other senators present. So if you would like to proceed with your presentation, thank you very much.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Cliff Allenby with the Department of State Hospitals. The analysis, I think, captures who we are very clearly and very well. If it pleases the committee, we could just move into the issues.
That would be fine.
Starting with the medical grade network, which is on page 7.
Yes.
I'm Jamie Mangrum, the department's Chief Information Officer. We're asking for $7.4 million in 2014-15 and $2.3 million in 2015-16 with 2 PYs. The hospitals are planning on moving forward with telemedicine, telepsychiatry, and electronic health record technologies to provide the same level of access to the paper-based patient record that we have today. It's necessary for us to put this infrastructure in place so the clinicians can gain access to the electronic form of the patient record.
Thank you very much. Are there any comments by Department of Finance or the Legislative Analyst's Office? And I do know that there doesn't seem to be any objection to this item. We will take a vote on that in a little while when we have a few other senators. Do you have any other things you'd like to add?
No, ma'am.
To that? Okay, very good. Then we'll go on to the next item, which is the statewide enhanced treatment units and capital outlay.
I have to my left our medical director, Dr. Kate Warburton, who is a forensic psychiatrist who can talk to you about why we believe we need an ETU.
Thank you very much. Welcome, Doctor.
Thank you. I don't think it's any secret to you or anyone in this room that the state hospitals have a major issue with violence in our facilities. Our research and information gathering, which includes reading the literature and talking to people from other states, seems to indicate that this is a national trend. If you look at media reports from state hospitals in other states, people are starting to report an increase in violence. We have several hypotheses about why this is happening if you're interested. The bottom line is, I think that as the largest forensic system in the country by almost a factor of 3, we are experiencing this in a much more acute and severe way than anyone else in the country, and it's time for us to be innovative. We need to have safe treatment environments for some of the patients that we now serve, who are different than the patients we used to serve. And in order to do that, we need some physical plant infrastructure to aid in this new treatment model.
I think it's important to point out that this is not, if and when we are able to get these new treatment units, I think it's clear that the decisions that have to be made for those placements will not be arbitrary. We do have clients' rights folks in our facilities. They will participate in the decisions on a clinical basis as to whether that's an appropriate action to take. One of the questions was raised in the staff analysis was, how does this relate different from the ETUs we now have at Atascadero and Coalinga? And I'll let Dr. Warburton kind of explain the differences we think we have.